Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bread jamun at home easy guide. Start by tearing bread into crumbs and mixing with milk until a soft dough forms. Add a pinch of cardamom and a drizzle of ghee for flavor and pliability. Shape small balls gently and chill briefly to firm up. Prepare a thin sugar syrup with a soft thread consistency, then fry and soak the jamun until fully infused and tender. For great bread jamun, choose slightly stale white bread for better absorption. Crumble bread fine, then add milk slowly until you reach a soft, moldable dough. Mix in 1/4 teaspoon cardamom and a small pinch of salt to enhance flavor. Avoid overworking the dough to keep jamun tender. Chill the shaped balls briefly so they hold shape while frying, then cook at medium heat until golden brown and cook through. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read recipes anywhere, so you can follow this bread jamun guide next to your counter without worrying about spills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you love reading in the kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by rolling uniform jamun balls to guarantee even cooking and soaking. Heat oil to medium and fry the balls gently, turning for an even golden color without burning. Meanwhile, prepare a warm sugar syrup with a soft thread consistency so jamun absorbs sweetness well. Transfer fried balls directly into warm syrup and let them soak for at least 15 minutes. Serve warm or chilled, garnished with nuts or a sprinkle of cardamom for extra aroma.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.